To build a corner display shelf above the door casing in a room, begin by measuring the room's dimensions at that height. Next, mark the locations of wall studs along this line on a piece of painter's tape. Cut pieces of 1x2 to act as cleats between the door casing and the adjacent corners. The ends of the pieces that adjoin the casing are square cut, while the fitting into the corner is a 45-degree angle cut. Attach the cleats so they are both level and flush with the top of the door case molding. The shelf board itself is a piece of 1x8. Make a 22.5-degree rip cut, angle up along the front edge of the shelf using a table saw. On the top side of the shelf, create an 1/8-inch deep dado about 1¼ inches out from the wall. This is easily done on the table saw by making two shallow cuts side by side and offers an ideal spot for propping decorative plates. Make square cuts on the ends of the shelf where they will terminate and 45-degree miter cuts where they will wrap around the corner. Match these mitered ends on a flat surface and draw two straight lines across the joint. Using a plate or biscuit joiner, create a half-moon shaped pocket in the edge of the shelf aligned with and under each of these marks. The joiner should be set for the appropriate thickness of the shelf and the size of the biscuit being used. The edges and pockets are glued and the biscuit is inserted in one side of the joint before the boards are put into position and slowly tilted down to engage the biscuit in the opposing side. Push the shelf boards in from either end to tighten up the joint. When the corner joint is tight, the shelf can be secured to the cleat along its back edge. The front angled edge is covered with a small piece of bed mold laid on its back. This creates a decorative lip along the front edge of the shelf to keep items from sliding off. A small piece of cove molding covers the joint where the shelf meets the cleat. When everything is caulked and painted, the shelf presents clean, attractive lines that provide a secure place to display decorative items, including plates.